Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. So in this video we want to eat with our food we prepare. So watch us for our previous video how we prepare this eko. Is on my YouTube channel how we prepare it. And this soup, this is our soup, is on our YouTube channel how we prepare this food soup. Okay, so follow us as we want to eat our food. Thank you. So, Manola, Philip. Okay. So, Philip, Manola, ya sit well. Sit well now. Now come and sit here. Philip will go. This is a cup. Philip. So, beautiful people. Eat your own now. Manola, eat. Eat now. Mm. This is yummy. What you done?
Oh, beautiful people, thank you for joining us. This is another great episode for eating agidi. This time we are using a soup known as kuka. It's like that sesame soup, leaf soup. It draws like jute leaf or okra or bolo.
Sorry.
This is very
Right.
tasty. If you have not watched our previous video, how we prepare the
Agidi.
sorry please. If you have not watched our previous video, how we prepare the eko, the agidi, is on our YouTube channel. Yes, you like it? It's water. Uncle, wait. Manuela, why don't you come here now?
So where's your one?
Manuela. Wow. These meals are weight loss. like this, you can eat it any time of the day, even 2 a.m. You can eat and go and sleep immediately. Mm. Tomato. Please, viewers, you are invited. Oh.
You are invited. Oh, come and join us. Hmm?
Pardon us. We are forgotten. Mm. Manela, how did you see this Kuuka soup? Hmm? Yummy.
Yeah,
Eat, eh? Mm. Eat.
Hausa soup.
Yes, this is in Nigeria. This is a northern food. Woo! It's too hot. Please load. Why? I show them why we are eating. Mm. Let me show you what we are eating. Viewers, this is our Kuuka soup, and this is our agidi, our eko, and this is Emanuela's own plate and Philip. How we prepare the Kuuka is on our YouTube channel. How we prepare the agidi is on our YouTube channel. Other videos like the ogbolo is on our YouTube channel. The sesame leaf, which is eku, is on our YouTube channel. Then the ogbolo, I've mentioned ogbolo. Don't use it to stain your clothes. Man, Philip, let me taste from your soup. Oh, this is my first time of eating Kuuka soup. Very tasty. Very inviting. Please, more. The agidi
is good for draw soup.
is very good for lightweight. Those who want to reduce. It's not like akpu. apple, there's a way you eat apple, you become heavy. But this one, the more you eat, the more you get lighter. Viewers, you need to try this. Most especially if you are watching your weight. I would recommend this type of food. It's not like the regular fufu or swallow. It's boom. Philip, see your cloth. Oh, please like, share, comment. Don't forget to subscribe.
If you are just watching us for the first time,
And turn up the notification bell to all, so that whenever we post a lovely video,
yes,
interesting videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Manuela, say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Philip, say bye bye. Manuela, bye bye.
Bye bye.
See you in the next video. Bye bye. Mwah.